Our assignment explanation for assignment 7.2, Brain Builder number 2. Okay, so poets are language experts and they know how to communicate big ideas with small, powerful words and phrases, which is why you have to read a poem more than once to truly understand what it means. Poets know how to use words and phrases to provide those layers of meaning. So, in our class, as you have probably learned, we're going to spend a lot of time working with different kinds of poetry. Your semester exam is going to ask you to evaluate the tools of poetry. So we're going to start in this very first unit tracking some of these tools, okay? Something I want to point out to you, you will have tools of poetry assignment in each unit. All of these tools of poetry documents will ultimately be your quote unquote cheat sheets for part of your semester exam. So you're going to want to keep this assignment because you're going to be able to use it when you take your semester exam at the end of the semester. A big tip for you as you complete this assignment, go back to your Beowulf reader response assignment to help you find examples for each of these tools. Okay? So here are the tools that we're going to be covering in this assignment. You're going to cover kenning, Sisera, visual imagery, auditory imagery, and alliteration. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find the definition for these tools and create a definition. So you can use these two sites to help you out, but you need to develop your own definition of a kenning, a Sisera, visual imagery, auditory imagery, and alliteration. Once you've done that, you are going to go back to Beowulf and find direct quotes and cite them that give you specific examples of kennings and all the other definitions that we have here on this assignment. You're going to need to quote them and cite the line numbers where you found them. Then, when you get done, go ahead and submit this assignment. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much.